Hey everyone, this is a new video on the introduction to algebra, and this video is going to focus on variables. So let's just get started. So I have a problem up on the board which says if x equals 4, then evaluate 15 minus x multiplied by 3, and notice that the 15 minus x are in parentheses. So if we just put that aside for a minute, yesterday when I made a video yesterday, we talked about multiplying. We talked about multiplying a variable and a number when we know what the variable is and we get our outcome. And in this video, I just want to show you guys some addition problems and stuff like that. Yeah, addition or basic arithmetic type of problems that are in algebra. You'll see what I mean. So it says if x equals 4, then evaluate 15 minus x, which are in parentheses, multiplied by 3. So before we do all the algebra here, we need to remember our Pemdas skills. So every time something is in the parentheses, we're going to do that first. But we're just gonna forget about this, and we're just going to do what's in the parentheses. So 15 minus x, and we know that x is 4, as it says over here. So 15 minus x equals 15 minus 4, so which equals 11. And then we got our answer for 15 minus x, and then we have our 11 multiplied by 3, which we know is 33. And that's the answer. That's basically how you do it. And let me give you another problem here, so you can try it out by yourself. So we have the same 15 minus x, which are in parentheses, multiplied by 3. And the directions are telling us that if x equals 9, let's say 9, what then evaluate 15 minus x multiplied by 3. So we're just going to do the same thing over here. So I want you to pause the video and try it by yourself, but I'll just show you how to do it. So we know x is 9, as it says in the directions. So we'll just say 15 minus 9, which are in parentheses, multiplied by 3 is basically what this equals. And we know that we know that in Pemdas we're supposed to do what's in the parentheses first. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, and we know that we have 3 to multiply, so we have 6 in parentheses and we have 3 to multiply, and we don't have to do any crazy type of math to figure this out. And we know that 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So that's our answer. So before I end the video, I want to give you a difficult problem. So it's like a challenge type of problem. Let me use a different color. Okay. Oop. 1 second. There. So I'll give you a challenge problem, or maybe 2. So, So the challenge problem is never mind. So let me just put a dash there. It is, well, let's say we have if x equals to 7, then evaluate 30 over x, 30 multiplied by x, so we could just put 30x minus x or let me just do this. Minus x, which would equal what? So try to figure it out. Pause the video and try to figure it out. But anyway, so we have x is 7, so we would just say 30 multiplied by 7, which equals 210. We know that, it's just basic arithmetic. So we know 30 multiplied by x, which is 7, which is the variable, is equal to 210. And we do minus x to that, which is basically actually minus x to that, which is basically 210 minus 7, which equals 203. And that's, and that's the answer. And if you got that, good job. If you don't get it, I'll just do another problem for you so you can improve your understanding. So let's say if x equals, let's say if x equals, actually let's put z this time, I want to do whatever color. If z actually no, I don't like that color. If z equals 4, if z equals 4, then evaluate the following, which is 72 divided by z, which are in parentheses, plus z minus 5. So this is a little bit harder, and I'll explain to you how to do it. So we have 72 divided by z, and we know that z is 4, so 72, let's just focus on this. We have 72 divided by 4 plus z, which is also 4. So we'll just focus on this, like I said. 72 divided by 4 is 18, I think. Yeah, it's 18. And then plus z. So like according to Pemdas, we're supposed to work on left to right, so we're just going to go in order. So 18 plus z, which is also 18 plus 4, which we all know equals 22, and we have all of this, we have all of that plus z, we have all of this, which equals 22, and we have minus 5, and the final answer would be 22 minus 5, which is 17. So the answer to this problem, to all of this, would be 17. And that's it. Thank you.